Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern titled Fiesta Square, and it uses 5 colors which have shades and which complement each other and add beauty to the other color. And it is a textured pattern, and it is a great pattern for using in any of the projects, and it will gel with all types of projects. So let us go into the video without much delay friends. Make a magic ring. And in the magic ring, place 4 trebles, chain 2 4 trebles. So to begin with, let us chain 4 and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains count as first treble. Sorry, I made into a DC. Chain 2 4 trebles 3 times. 3 more times. Chain 2 4 trebles, chain 2 4 times, 3 times. You make 3 times, I shall get back. We'll come to the end of the round here. Now chain 2 and slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first chain for 1, 2, 3 and 4th chain. You should pick up under these 2 loops and fasten off. For round 2 we use the color 2. I shall be back with color 2 to go ahead for round 2. With right side facing, join color B to any of the stitches in the side, because we're going to fasten off at the end of this row. Slip stitch and make a single crochet there, and 1 single crochet in the next. In the corner, make 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets, and then in every stitch here, every stitch of the first row, make 1 single crochet till you reach the next corner. So we have 4 stitches here, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. We'll have 8 singles to work on the third round on each side. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of this round. So you're placing 1 single on each of the stitches of the previous round, that is the first round, and then 2 singles, chain 2 2 singles in the corner space. I've come to the end of the round here, so I'll remove my yarn and make the invisible slip stitch join at the end of the round here. So here we go. I have completed. I think the join will not be seen at all. The slip stitch won't be seen. Okay. Now let me hide these yarns inside and then get back with the third color for the third round. Okay. With right side facing, you can join the third color to any of the corners here with a slip stitch. You can begin the corner either by chain 3 or making a double crochet. Let us make the first half corner. Make 3 double crochets. That's the first half corner. And place 1 double in each of the next 8 stitches to reach the next corner. So place the doubles. Do not miss out on the very first stitch. This stitch will hide inside the chains. so we are very likely to miss out on that. So including that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so place 8 DCs. I shall meet you at the next corner over here. We've reached the corner here. In the corner, place 3 doubles, chain 3 3 doubles. With the right side facing, join the third color for the third round in the corner, slip stitch, and then pull up the loop and make a twisted standing double as the very first stitch. One more double to complete the half corner, first half corner, and then place one double in each of the next 8 SCs, singles. Yes, I forgot the very first stitch here. It is hiding here. This is the second, this is the first. Here it is. Place the 8 doubles. I shall meet you in the next corner. In the corner, place 2 doubles, chain 3 2 doubles. So continue the stitch pattern on the other 3 sides also. I shall meet you when I reach the first corner. Complete the first corner by placing 2 doubles, chain 2, slip stitch and join and fasten off. Slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains or the first stitch that you have made. Now I shall be back with the 4th color for the 4th round. With right side facing, join color D to any of the corners with a slip stitch and place 3 doubles in the corner, which amounts to the half corner being done. This round also has DC rows, but little the difference. Now chain 2, skip the next 2 DCs and place 1 DC each on each of the 8 DCs. So place the DCs. I shall also place the complete and get back. I've placed 8 doubles. Now chain 2 and jump over to the corner. In the corner, place 3 doubles, chain 3 3 doubles. Chain 3 3 doubles. Continue the stitch pattern. Chain 2, skip 2, 8 1 DC each on next 8 DCs. Chain 2, jump to the corner, place the corner and get back. Complete the other 3 rounds. I shall get back to other 3 sides. I shall get back to you when I complete. I have completed the 4th round. I have completed the first half corner also. The other half corner, place 3 chains and slip stitch to the first stitch, and now I am fastening this off. So it's time to join the 5th color. Let me get back to you with the 5th color and go about the fifth round. So with right side facing, join the next color. Sorry, not this color. Yeah, this is the color. This is the darker shade. With a slip stitch to the corner, place 3 doubles in the corner. Chain 2, skip the next 3 DCs and place a popcorn in the chain 2 space. So make 5 doubles. And make the popcorns. Separate videos are there for how to make the popcorn. You can refer to that. The link is given in the description box below. Then chain 2, skip the next 2 and place 1 DC each on each of the next 4 doubles. Skip next to chain 2, skip 2, place a popcorn again in the next chain 2 space. It's a 5 DC popcorn. Chain 2, jump to the corner and place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So continue the stitch pattern on the other 3 sides and come back and complete the first corner, slip stitch and fasten off. Okay, I shall also complete and get back. We've completed with round 5 now. Okay, now take the color A, slip stitch and join to the first DC of 3 DCs. The corner, make a single crochet in the same chain space, in the same stitch, not space, just same stitch, 1 single crochet each on next 2 DCs, and under chain 2 space make 2 singles, and 1 single crochet in the popcorn, two single crochets under the chain 2 space. Let me hide the yarn as I take along. One single crochet each on each of the next 4 doubles. Again we have come to the chain 2 space, 2 single crochets. Single crochet on the popcorn, two singles under the chain 2 space, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 3 doubles. When we come to the corner, 3 singles, chain 2 3 singles. So repeat the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of the last corner here. I've completed the single crochet round. I did the last corner with 3 singles, chain 2 3 singles, and slip stitched, invisible slip stitch, and join and fastened off. Okay, so here we go. This is the Fiesta design in under Granny Square series. It is worked with 5 colors and multiple colors, and you can work with solid colors too. So this pattern can be used in any of your projects, and it has a 3-dimensional effect too, and it has good texture. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Do get back to me with any queries if you have in the comment section. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.